Hi guys, Cindy here. So today we're gonna mess with wigs again. I have this one, I just pulled it out of the box. I'm not gonna show it's a cysterwigs. I've had it a few months. See the cute little tape and stuff they use? It's the Vaughn wig and the brown, and I've had it a while. I bought it enough to get the free shipping. This is some kind of light silk spray. I have no idea what it is, because you know I'm not really a wig wearer yet. And we don't call them wigs, we call them hair pieces. But I had bought a wig from Amazon, a little headband wig, and it seemed like a lot of hair. And anyway, I did an unboxing video, but it's probably not going to go up, so we might show you that here. But it seemed like it had a lot of hair, and I didn't really like the texture of it. It felt like plastic, but what do you expect? It kind of was this, and we might try it on in this video. And I got 3 headbands, and I got 2 ponytail holders that are like, look like hair, and I got some little head thing that I couldn't wear, and I got 2 false eyelashes. So what do you expect? But we might still try it on. So I thought, as long as I'm messing around, you know, I was wanting the headband one because my husband says I can't wear a wig. He just has a fit. He doesn't want me to. You know, I guess being no hair is better than a wig as far as he's concerned. But so I thought, well, we call that a hair piece, but it felt like plastic. I mean, what do you expect? I think it was $19.99, and it's kind of dark for my bangs. I was wanting to pull my bangs out of it. A lot of people have just their face, and so you can wear any color you want, but I kind of need it. And this has got dark with highlights, but she's got a little bit, compared to this, my hair looks light, but actually my real hair is really dark before it turns gray, or it's grayer. So while I was messing with it, I thought, well, you know, I bought this Vaughn. I paid good money for it. Let's see. And I don't even know if she still sells that, if it was limited edition or whatever. I probably will wear this one sometime if I can, you know, squeeze it, even though he says no. Maybe I could wear it, start off just the grocery store or something like that. Because, you know, you got to have some confidence to wear wigs, especially, you know, my generation and stuff, you know, we just didn't do that. So I think they're getting more to it now. Did I bring you scissors? Let me try to cut. I'm just going to leave the tag on. Anyway, so it looks like it's dark brown with some little highlights. Actually, they're better highlights than mine, because mine, she can't seem to get, get them blonde. They're always orange. She said it's the texture of my hair. I was looking for a clippy. I'm not sending it back. I've had it too long, but but anyway, it's a real pretty color. It's, I think my husband would notice if I have this long hair after the short hair. I didn't get a good haircut. Nothing's wrong with the haircut. It's me. It doesn't look good on. So let's see how this works. So we're just right out of the box. We've got the little cysterwig logo and all this. And since this one's got bangs, I might be better off just pulling my bangs out. I was just wanting to wear bangs on the headband wig because I didn't want my forehead showing. My hair's so short, I don't even need to pull it up. It's just the way it is. See, this one's nice and light. It's not got way too much hair. The other one I thought was way too much hair. It didn't seem natural. Let's find the front of it again. Let's the back. It's been a long time since I've tried this. I can't see very well. This might be too much hair. This probably looks more like I looked when I was younger. Except without the highlight. Like I said, I've never been able to get the blonde highlights. And it's not just this hairdresser. Others have done too, and they're always orange. They always turn orange. That Heather at Cysterwigs, she always looks so good. I guess she knows how to plop them on. So, I definitely would have to work with it. But I don't think I could wear this. I think it's too long. I think my husband would have a cowl. My own hair, I'd have to work up to it. I'd have to, like, you know, wear like a bob wig or a bob and let it get just a little bit longer and longer and longer and work up to something this length. I do like this. That Felix wig that I had, it ended up being like super short on me, where this is long. And so I thought this might end up short. And I don't know what I'm doing. My hair's in my thing. See, this is kind of long. This was longer than what I expected. But, I mean, if it wasn't for my husband, it'd be fine. But I think we're going to have to, like, work up to something longer. And I do like the color. And it feels more like real hair. This other one I'm going to show you, even though it's not. I think this is, I can't remember what this was. This was, I think it was some kind of heat friendly or something. I kind of quit watching the wig videos. I do like this. But I don't think that he's going to let me wear it. And I know, yeah, I can do what I want to do. That's right. But, you know, you got to pick your battles. So I need to kind of work up to this. Maybe like a little bob. But I do like it. Let's get the mirror. Finding a mirror. I do like it. I think it's something that to work up to. And I might be too old for something this long. Because I'm 60 now. And I'm more of a bob type person, but I do like it. I think what I'm going to have to do is, though, box this up and then wait and like do some like little shorter, you know, chin length and work up to it. But not the super short curly. The Felix I thought was going to be longer than it was. Okay, so you've seen that. And I would definitely take some, I don't know, it seems like, I think the last time I tried them on, I had more hair, and it seemed thicker, with now that she's got it so short. And I think the next time I go get the color, I think I'm going to have her put more brown and less highlights, so that other stuff will blend in with it. So anyway, let's pull this off. Now, I think it was normally like $86, but she always has like, or she did have like 30% off. But I do like this. I like the color, I like the style. I'm not in the mood to haggle with anyone about hair. So if it was just me, yeah, I would flop that dude on or under Walmart today. But I got someone down there that be making comments, and so we're not going to. But I'm going to save it. And I got, you know, a couple of curly wigs in there. And so let's try this headband wig. So I already did this unboxing video that's not going to show. But let's try the headband wig. So I'd like, see, this to me had a lot more hair and it's a lot different texture. I'd like more of the low density that did, and I like that fabric, but not fabric, hair. So we'll just pop this on, and I don't like my forehead showing. That's the reason I wanted to do my bangs, and I'm glad I started off with something cheap. Like if I bought like $100 real hair one, and this was off from Amazon, I would be sick. I would just be sick. It's real thicker. It's gonna be heavier, and I don't know what I'm doing. So we've already decided that. So a lot of the girls, they're like wearing them like this. I think that looks dumb. I'll just be honest. I don't. Or like, not a lot of the girls, but the models. Maybe it's because their hair's different colors and they're just trying on a whole bunch of wigs. So. And it's got head clips in it, but. So this is kind of hard to do. It might be better to clip it first and then try to get it on. Or Velcro it. So, see, I don't like that forehead. That's not my thing. I thought that, you know, I could wear it back like this with my little bangs are showing through. But, one, my bangs are a different color. And see, it's a different color, so that's not going to work. I mean, this might be better if next time I get it covered, I'll say, okay, less highlights and more brown, or just nothing but brown, or I don't know. This isn't a decision. So, with the bangs, my bangs are too light. Without the bangs, we got the big forehead. So, there we go. Yeah, so, I don't know what to say. I don't think I'm going to wear a wig today. I don't know. What do y'all think? Let me know what you think. What's your advice for a husband, for me to try to sneak in some hair pieces with a husband that says he doesn't want it? Oh, I think this looks cute, and this really looks better than my real hair, because my real hair would like kind of, you know, here at the bottom, which I didn't like. We can put on an animal print headband or a yellow headband. Let's try one of these headbands. And it does not feel real secure. Maybe it's because it is pushed back, you know. So, alrighty, there you go. We've had 2 weeks today, 2 different companies, and I'm sorry you missed the unboxing, but it was just such a mess. I had to practice a little bit first. And what else came with it? I think I showed you everything. And of the 2, the quality and everything, of course, the cysterwigs is better, but it costs a lot more. This was $19.99, and I got 2 eyelashes, 2 little ponytail holder thingies, and 3 headbands, and other stuff. So, but I don't know. Tell me what you think in the comments, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.